Hey guys, what's good? Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More, popping on real quick with another video. So, in this video, guys, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are returning chat family, welcome back to the channel. I am just popping on to show you guys an example of how YouTube is definitely a business. And you all know I've been putting up a live video upload, or I'm sorry, uploading a video each and every day throughout the month of January 2025 in an effort to test out easy mode, right? And so I've been coming live. Most of the time I'm in my car commuting to and from work. And this video here is a little slightly different video, but I wanted to come on because I'm always talking about the fact that YouTube is a business. And whether you are a monetized YouTube channel or a non-monetized YouTube channel, and particularly if you're a non-monetized YouTube channel and you have businesses or you are an affiliate marketer or you monetize in other ways aside from the YouTube um, partnership program, you can certainly benefit from the platform as a form of promoting your business. Basically, you're your own advertiser. So I'm using one of my home-based businesses as an example. I typically share this business on another smaller YouTube channel that I have, but I am going to share it on this channel as well because I think you guys can benefit from the information. So if you enjoy uplifting content that is going to be news you can use, information that is going to help you with your personal development and overall growth, then you are in the right place. If you didn't remember to blow dry on the like button for me on your way coming in, please don't forget to do that for me on your way heading out. Also, sharing is definitely caring, so share the video for your girl. I would greatly appreciate it. So, the reason why I thought this would be good information, we are officially in the first month of the new year, the first quarter, and typically most of us W2, W4 wage earners are going to be getting our um, W4s back from our employers so that you can get ready to file them good old taxes, right? And depending on how you have that structured, you may or may not be getting a nice, decent tax return, or you may be breaking even, or reluctantly, you may be owing. Either way, you need to stay on top of your taxes, right? So, this is the perfect time for me to share this particular business. Not in an effort to sell you anything, not in an effort to, push anything down your throat. This is very much so informational. However, if you should like to receive additional information from me or have any questions, definitely leave a comment in the comment section or reach out to me via IG. All of that information and those links can be found in the description box of most of my videos. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys this example because most YouTubers will create a channel, much like I did, not recognizing that this is a business and the different things that you put into your business, such as buying a computer, buying a laptop, a tablet, or even your existing cell phone, having an internet service provider, be it Comcast, Xfinity, AT&T, T-Mobile, whoever you use, you're paying for that each and every month. If you have ring lights, that is a business expense. If you are buying microphones, if you are buying tripod stands, if you are buying green screens, if you are paying for editing software. All of those things are business expenses to operate your YouTube business. Okay? Those things, if structured correctly and if you are educating yourself, you can benefit from those as business expenses. So, in my business, which is a personal financial success company, my econ, I share that type of information. We are all about uplifting and empowering one another to get to the next level. And like I said, this business is critical because it has helped me so much over the last 2.5 to 3 years to not only increase my credit score dramatically, to be able to buy a new car with zero cash down. What else? Also, to increase my take home pay from my W 4 job. Okay? Just let me show you. I want to give y'all an example because I don't think y'all be understanding like simple things. If structured correctly, you can be bringing home so much more money. You can turn that negative cash flow into positive cash flow. And that's the type of stuff that I like to dig deep into and pour into because, we have not because we ask not. And sometimes we don't ask or we may never have been exposed to. And even if you have been exposed to, there's nothing wrong with a little refresher course every now and again, right? So I just want to show y'all really quickly. I am going to come over here and just log in. I want to show y'all if you were a member in my personal financial success company. Remember, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just showing you the benefits of knowing. Okay? The My Credit system that comes with my financial success membership, super affordable, right? Super duper affordable. You are going to get a complete educational system back here that is going to walk you through everything you need to do to improve your credit, right? But the very first thing that we offer to our members is this one, because this one is going to affect your household immediately. Okay? Many of us, when we go into a job interview, and let's say the employer offers you the job, what is the first thing they do? They usually hand you a stack of papers to fill out for your W-4. I guarantee you that most of us fill this simple form out incorrectly. There is no instruction. The employer is not going to hold your hand and sit down and advise you on how to fill it out. And many of us, I know I know several people who have filled this form out incorrectly. And the benefit of the knowledge that we share and we pour back into the members in this financial success membership, you actually learn how to correct your W-4. Now, by correcting your W-4, you are then able to increase your take-home pay. So here, I'm just showing y'all an example. We actually show you with an instructional video how to go in and correct your tax withholding so that you are not overpaying and leaving money that your family could use right now today in your household on the floor. Who wants to have a negative cash flow? when you can have positive cash flow. And that positive cash flow coming back in, you could turn around and use to invest. You could turn it around to use to repair, to pour back into your home, to pour back into your business, a multitude of things. But again, you have to start somewhere. And this is a very simple yet effective first thing we do when you come into this business is teach you how to increase your take home pay. And we actually see people get anywhere from $250 on up to $1,000 per pay period just by simply correcting this form. So, again, like I said, this wasn't going to be a long video, guys. I am just trying to be a woman of my word and come down here with information and videos every single day this month and let y'all know I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Obviously, the and more is a real and more. On this channel, for the most part, I do talk about my love of hair. As a former licensed cosmetologist and beauty salon owner, I share my natural hair care journey. I share my love of wigs. I do a lot of product unboxings, hauls. I've been sharing my plus size fitness journey, doing a little bit of try on hauls, trying to get into the fashion haul content, and overall lifestyle content. And with all that being said, I definitely share self care, motivation and inspiration, and overall personal development. And in all thine are getting, we should be getting an understanding. And most of us work for a living. So if you are like me and you get up and you go to a job every day, you need to make sure that you are not overpaying on your taxes. This is already a tough enough economy as it is. Food is outrageous through the roof, bills up the yin yang. The last thing you want to do is be overpaying unnecessarily on your taxes. I hope that I have added some value to your day. I want to thank you all for taking a moment to come over and check out my videos. If you are enjoying the content that I'm sharing, drop down in the comments below and let me know. I always enjoy the feedback, guys. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? It is free 99 after all. It doesn't cost you anything to support. Support, support, support. And I am also a supporter. So if you are a small content creator like myself and you would like to cross support one another and network, definitely let me know that in the comment section as well. Until next time, guys, continue to stay safe, continue to stay encouraged, and I will definitely see you all in the next video. Peace, guys.